Now, me as a tutor, I have received another tutoring booking request from Max Mustermann. He has booked a free consultation call on Wednesday, February 11th, 2026 at 7 p.m. Central European Time. That looks good to me. I'm available that time, so I click on approve. And the booking approved. It was sent also to the customer. Now I can go ahead to my profile and I can see all my tutoring scheduled. I can see all my tutoring sessions here under manage my bookings. So I see I have one upcoming session. I don't have any pending bookings. That means I have every booking either accepted or declined. I have one upcoming session with Max Mustermann. I see all the details of the session here. It's with Max Mustermann. It's a free consultation call. It's on February 11th, 2026, 7 p.m. So it's around 1 day from now. And I can click to join the meeting from here. I can cancel the meeting. I can send the message to Max Mustermann as well. And I see the status is approved. So I'm just preparing for the session on Wednesday with Max. And to join the session, I just go ahead and click on here. Join meeting. I will be landing on the page free consultation call. I have all the details here again. I can send Max a message by pressing that button, send a message, or I can join the session. It's happening in around 26 hours, 27 hours from now. So I can join the session by pressing this button. I can join the meeting. So now I'm in the call. I can, of course, speak. I can activate my camera. I'm just waiting until Max joined. I see all the participants here. So I'm still there in the meeting by myself. I'm a moderator, so I'm waiting for Max to join.